Protecting virtual infrastructures from viruses and spyware is a challenge for enterprises of all sizes. Traditional antivirus applications weren't designed with virtualization in mind and are painful to use. Problems include deploying the AV client across hundreds of virtual machines, finding a client that works with all operating systems used, performance slowdowns when antivirus scanning kicks off across many machines at one time, and resolving issues related to malware without causing downtime. As the number of virtual machines in your virtual infrastructure grows, these problems have only been compounded. This is especially true for service providers and those who have deployed desktop virtualization. Fortunately, 5nine has released an innovative and unique solution to all of these problems. It's 5nine's Agentless Anti-Malware and Virtual Firewall for Windows 8 and Windows Server 2012. Let's take a look. Here in the 5nine Security Manager, if I go up to Settings, this is where you can enable anti-malware across all virtual machines on a Hyper-V host or individually per virtual machine. From here you can also schedule one or multiple anti-malware scans across those hosts and virtual machines with a few clicks of the mouse. Now let's look at these two virtual machines, red and blue. If we take a look at the scan log from the last antivirus scan, notice that this VM had a number of infected files, but it was cleaned automatically without downtime for the applications or end users of the virtual machine. If we right-click on the blue VM, this is where you control AV scanning on a per VM basis. Scanning is usually done automatically, but let's initiate a manual scan of this VM. If we go over to Hyper-V Manager, notice how a snapshot was immediately taken of the virtual machine disk file. Now, the scanning is done on the original virtual disk while the VM continues processing and the applications continue working on the snapshot copy. Once scanning is done, the infected files are cleaned, the snapshot is removed, and processing continues on the clean virtual disk file. This way, anti-malware scanning and remediation can be done with zero downtime to end users or critical company applications. Here are the results of our scan of the blue VM, and as you can see, the blue VM was found to be uninfected during this scan. One of the many things that makes 5nine anti-malware protection special is unique 5nine technology that makes the scan very fast based on analysis of previously performed scans. Finally, there's no need to worry about malware scans impacting performance because these scans won't start and will be paused if the Hyper-V host is experiencing processor, memory, disk, or network utilization above thresholds that you set. 5nine's Agentless Anti-Malware Protection for Windows 8 and Windows Server 2012 is a powerful and unique solution that will make protecting your virtual infrastructure easy while preventing performance slowdowns. I'm confident you'll want to throw out those old and painful antivirus agents after you sign up for a free evaluation of 5nine Virtual Firewall and Anti-Malware for Windows Server 2012 Hyper-V today.